Okay. So, hi, good evening, everyone. So, are you getting my voice? Are you getting my voice? Okay. Okay. So, welcome to the class, and we can start our problems where we have left from yesterday. So, I think today most of the students are not in mood of attending the class. In the morning session also, so many of you were not attending the class, and now also there are only few people in the live class. What is the effect of this? I don't know. Okay, so let us begin our class, and the remaining students can join as the class goes on. And at the end of the class, again I will have some announcements of tomorrow, and all of you wait for that. Okay, so we shall continue our classes from where yesterday we have left. Okay, so we were solving the problems, and consider today's first problem, and let us start it. Okay, so see the first problem, that is, consider the set, consider the following relations, and see here, first one is a minus b is equal to a minus of a intersection b. Second one, a equal to a intersection b union a minus b. Third one is a minus b union c equal to a minus b union a minus c. Okay, so this we have to verify. To solve this, what I will do, I will take some sets. I will take set a equal to 1 2 4. I will take set a equal to 1 2 4, and I will take set b equal to 2 5 6, and I will take set c equal to 1 5 7. Okay, so now we shall verify the following statements. Okay, see here, a I have taken it as 1 2 and 4, set b I have taken as 2 5 6, and set c I have taken as 1 5 7. So now what is the first statement? A minus b equal to a minus of a intersection b. Let us calculate LHS and RHS. First you calculate a minus b. What is going to be a minus b? The element which is in a but not in b. So we have 1 which is in a but not in b, 2 is present in a, present in b, 4 which is present in a but not in b. So that will be 1 comma 4. Okay, and you can just see that what is a intersection b. First you can calculate a intersection b. What is a intersection b? A intersection b is 2. A intersection b is 2. Okay, so now you can just see here, what is set a? Set a is 1 2 4. Okay, so intersection b is singleton set 2. So now I am checking my LHS, a minus a intersection b, so that you can see that if I take this, the answer will be 1 comma 4. The answer will be 1 comma 4. I have taken set a, set b, set c. I am simplifying a minus b. This is LHS. So here we got LHS and for RHS I have taken set 1 2 4 minus A intersection B. So this is my RHS. That you can see RHS is also equal to 1 comma 4. Therefore statement 1 is true. Statement 1 is true. Okay. So from this you can understand statement 1 is true. Clear? Okay. Now let us go for the second statement. Now let us go for the second statement. So what is our A? Our A is 1, 2, 4. What is our B? 2, 5, 6. What is our B? 2, 5, 6. And what is our C? 3, 5, 7. What is our C? 3, 5, 7. Sorry, 1, 5, 7. Our C is 1, 5, 7. Okay. Now we have to check our second statement. Now we have to check our second statement. That is A. LHS is A. No problem. What is RHS? A intersection B. First you calculate A intersection B. What will be A intersection B? 2 is common. So I will write 2. Next, A minus B. What is A minus B? We can write 1 comma 4. Okay. So union of this is equal to what? 1, 2, 4. Union of this is equal to what? 1, 2, 4. That means it is equal to set A. Okay. So therefore the second statement is also true. The second statement is also true. First statement and second statement are true. So check in your options. What are the options? You can check it. No problem. See, first and third, this is not your answer. Only 2, this is not your answer. Second and third, this is not your answer. First and second statement are true. First and second statement are true. We have seen that first statement is true. So that's why clearly second option and the third option will get deleted. Go for solving the second statement. Second statement is also true. That means option 1 will delete itself. So therefore option D will be the correct answer. Okay. So like this, sometimes you have to use elimination method. If you use elimination method, it will be very good. Clear? So quickly all of you give the thumbs, give the smiles. Have you understood this? If you have understood, we can continue to the next problem, and quickly tell me how many of you are understanding these problems. Almost we have came to the end of the topic of sets, and tomorrow will be the last class for sets, and I will go for the next chapter from the next class. Okay. So quickly tell me all of you, do you have any doubt in this? Give me thumbs, high fives, smiles, everything. Okay. Okay. So now let us go for the next problem. Now let us go for the next problem. Clear? Okay. See this. The set A intersection B complement whole complement union with B intersection C. A intersection B complement whole complement union with B intersection C. So that you can see here, if I apply De Morgan's law, it will be A complement union B. Union with what? B intersection C. Okay. So now you can see that union, we are taking union. So therefore A complement union B, union with B intersection C. Okay. So that means we are making the union of these two, and you can see that here you are going to get the same term, that is A complement union B. A complement union B. You have union here, you simplify this. A complement union B union B. Again intersection with, you can just see A complement union B and union C. Okay. So if I simplify this, you will get this step. If I simplify my second step, I I will get A complement union B intersection with A complement union B union C. And I can write this as A complement union B intersection with A complement B union C, because B union B is B. Okay. So now you can just see here, from these two sets we have to take the common term. What is the common term? A complement union B, A complement union B. Therefore your answer is A complement union B. Some of you are not understanding this, some of you are not following this. I want to know their name. So quickly tell me who are not following this. I will explain again, because it is not that easy that once I explain you understand it. It needs again once more explanation. It needs number of times of explanation to understand it. So quickly tell me who have not understood. So if all of you have understood, I am very happy that I can go for the next problem. Quickly give me the thumbs, give me the smiles, anything. Okay, so I want to know how many of you have understood this and how many of you have not understood this. Be fast. Okay, Sanjeev, Smita, Basuma, all of you are telling to explain again. All of you are telling to explain again. Very good. I knew this. Okay, no problem. See here, you understand the logics. That is A intersection B complement whole complement union B intersection C. Apply De Morgan's law for this. What you are going to get? A complement union B complement of complement. B complement of complement is what? B. Okay. So that's why I write B here. So by applying De Morgan's law, it will become like this: union as it is B intersection C. Okay. Now we know that associative law is true. Associative law is true. Commutative law is true. Next, distributive law is true. Okay, so all laws are true on union and intersection. So that's why what happens, I will take this as complete one set and I distribute on B with union. So I will write my first set. What is my first set? A union B. Now I distribute this B over this B. That will be union B. Okay. Now see, you have intersection here. You write it. A complement union B and I distribute over C. That will be what? A complement union B union C. Okay. So from this, now we have to write the common elements from those two sets. What is the common element? Intersection means common element. A intersection B, A complement union B. So have you understood this? Quickly tell me. Now you may have understood. Some of you have understood this. No problem. So quickly tell me, is there still any confusion? So here option B is going to be the correct answer. Okay. So now if you give me the permissions, I can go for the next problem. Now you can give me the permissions, then I can go for the next problem. Very good. So I got permission from all of you, so that I will move for the next question. And next question is very easy. All of you can try it on yourself. So quickly try it on yourself and let us see me and all of you are going to get the right answer or not. So quickly try it and see all of you are going to get the right answer or not. Okay. So I will also solve it. All of you also solve it and let us check we are going to get the right answer or not. Clear? Okay, start to solve this. Quickly solve the problem. Don't worry, I will also solve and try to get the right answer. Okay, how many of you got the answer? How many of you got the answer? You just see X be the universal set for the sets A and B. N of A is 200, N of B is 300, N of A intersection B is 100, then N of A complement of A intersection B complement is 300. Now they are asking N of X. Now they are asking N of X. Very good, no problem. See here, N of A complement intersection B complement is nothing but N of A union B whole complement. That is nothing but N of X minus N of A union B. So see here, this is nothing but 300. So 300 is equal to N of X minus N of A union B. So now I have to calculate N of A union B. So what is N of A union B? N of A union B equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. What is N of A? N of A is 200, N of B is 300, N of A intersection B is 100. So that is 500 minus 100 is 400. N of A union B is 400, therefore use this. 300 equal to N of X minus 400. So N of X will be equal to 700. How many of you got the right answer? I want to see. Not 400, it is 700. Some of you got 600. So sorry. Very sad. Answer is 700. No one got. Okay, Devama B. Very good. Very good. Basama got now. No problem. Asha also got B. Very good. So answer is B. That is 700. I got 700. What about others? What about you all? How much you got? Now you are telling B because you know the answer. Don't do like that. You have to solve first. Then you have to answer. Okay. I have written on the screen. Now all of you are telling B is 700. No problem. Smartness. All of you are very much smart with your brains. Okay. No problem. So here the answer is 700. Here the answer is 700. Clear? Okay. So now let us go for the next question. So I think this question was asked for your last exam, that is on day before yesterday. On day before yesterday, I have asked this in your test. I have asked this in your test. Okay. No problem. Let us solve it. Clear? So what is set S? Set S is X is a positive multiple of 3 lesser than 300. Set P is prime numbers lesser than 20. Now they are asking N of S plus N of P. Quickly try to solve it. Quickly try to solve it. See, set S, if you want to write, see here, multiples of 3. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 2 is 3. 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into 4 is 12. So on to where? 3 into 33 is 99. This is the last one. That means N of S is equal to 33. N of S is equal to 33. And you can see the elements in the P lesser than 20. Prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So N of P is equal to 8. So therefore N of S plus N of P is equal to 41. N of S plus N of P is equal to 41. Very good. Very good. 41 is the correct answer. 41 is the correct answer. So many of you have given the right answer. No problem. It may be the effect of the test which I have taken day before yesterday. Some of you may have solved it. No problem. Very good. Keep it up. Do the problems like this. No problem. Either you solve it or you use your tricks. But you must get the right answer. No problem. 33 plus 8 is equal to 41. Very good. Now let us go for the next question. Quickly try to solve it and get the answer. 50 speak French. N of F is equal to 50. N of F is equal to 50. N of S is equal to 20. And N of S intersection F is equal to 10. The number of people who speak at least one of the two languages. Please remember, my dear students, at least one of the two languages means you have to calculate union. N of S union F. At least one means you have to calculate union. At least one means you have to calculate union. So therefore, quickly solve and give me the answer. I will wait for your answers. Already I have explained everything. Okay. So try to solve it and give me the answer. I will see how many of you can give the answer. N of S plus N of F minus N of S intersection F. That is N of S is 50. Sorry, N of S is 20. N of F is 50, N of S intersection is 10. So 70 minus 10 is 60. Very good. Very good. Most of you are giving the right answers. Most of you are giving the right answers. I will see tomorrow how many of you are correctly preparing for the test, because tomorrow again I am going to take the test. Will you attend the test that I am going to take tomorrow as I taken 2 days before? Okay. So with that test, I am going to complete this sets chapter. I am going to complete this sets chapter. Okay. Clear? So quickly tell me, tomorrow I am going to take test. Are you ready? All of you? All of you, are you ready? Who are ready with the attending the test that I am taking tomorrow? Say me yes. Okay, in a class there are 60 students. That means N of U is 60. 25 play cricket. N of C is 25. 20 play tennis. N of T is 20. 10 play both games. N of C intersection T is 10. Now both the games. Then the number of students who play neither. That means N of C dash union T dash. We have to calculate. That is nothing but N of C union T whole dash. That is equal to N of U minus N of C union T. That means here first we have to calculate N of C union T. So therefore N of C union T is equal to N of C plus N of T minus N of C intersection T. Okay. So N of C is 60. N of T is 25. Sorry, N of T is 20. N of C is 25. Okay. So N of C is 25, N of T is 20 minus N of C intersection C is 10. 45 minus 10 is 30. That is union T. Therefore, 60 minus 10. Sorry, 60 minus 30. That is equal to how much? 30 we are getting. So that is wrong answer. So we can see here 45 minus 10 is 35. 45 minus 10 is 35. So if I subtract 35 here, we will get 25. So 25 is our right answer. 25 is our right answer. Okay. So we got 25 as our answer. That is option B. We got 25 as our answer. That is option B. Clear? Okay. So option B is the correct answer for this. Is there any confusion with problem? Please quickly tell me. If you have any confusions, you can ask. I will explain again. If you have any confusions, you can ask. I will explain again, or quickly give me the thumbs. I will go for the next question. Very good. Tell me the answers. Option D is not the correct answer. Option D is not the correct answer. Universal set has 60 elements. N of cricket, N of C has 25, N of T has 20, N of T intersection C has 10. Now we have to calculate N of C dash union T dash. Okay. So now we can say that by using the formula N of C union T, you can calculate, you will get 35. Therefore 60 minus 35 is 25. Option B is right. Very good. Now let us go for the next problem. Which of the following set is singleton set? Which of the following set is singleton set? Very nice question. So you just simplify. First one, mod x. You just see mod x is lesser than 1. So x belongs to I, that is integers. If mod x is lesser than 1, we all know that x will be greater than 1, x will be lesser than 1. So that means x is in between -1 to +1. So we have 0. So only element is 0. So this will be the singleton set, because we know that only one option is right in this. So therefore option A will be the correct answer. Suppose in JEE advanced exams, sometime they ask more than one options are right. That time you have to go for solving others also. Okay. But here no problem. If you know how to simplify mod of x is lesser than 1, then it is very simple. Mod of x is lesser than 1, you can simplify it as x is lesser than 1, greater than -1. So you can just see from lesser than 1 to -1 to +1, we have only one integer, that is 0. So therefore it is only one element, that is 0. So therefore option A will be our correct answer. So how many of you have understood and how many of you are not understood? Quickly tell me. Here solving is not important. How much you are understanding, that is important. So don't give for main things that how I solve. How much you are understanding, that is important. So quickly tell me, have you understood this? Give me the thumbs so that I can go for the next question. Very good. What about others? So if the screen is not clear, you just close the app. Again you open it, because sometimes because of network you may not get clear screen. Okay. So that's why it may get confusion. Don't worry, you just close the app and again you open it. It will be getting clear. Okay. Otherwise network will be not good. That is the problem sometimes. Clear? Okay. So you just say mod x lesser than 1, you have to solve. If you want to solve mod x lesser than 1, if you want to solve mod x lesser than 1, mod has got two choice. One is plus, another one is minus. Mod has got two choice. Here mod value is 1. That means mod has got two choice. One is +1, another one is -1. So first we can write it as it is, no problem. But next one is, if we multiply negative sign on the both side, mod x will remain as it is and sign will interchange. So that's why mod x will give you x is lesser than 1 and greater than -1. Can you tell me what is mod x lesser than 2? It will be lesser than 2, greater than -2. What will be mod x lesser than 3? X is lesser than 3, greater than -3. Okay. What will be mod x lesser than 5? It will be x lesser than 5, greater than -5. Okay. So like this you have to simplify. Suppose you just see, I will reverse this and I will see how many of you can get the answer for this. If I write mod x is greater than 1, how can you solve it? First one is x will be greater than 1 and the second one will be x is lesser than -1. Please remember, very very important, how to solve mod. Mod x is greater than greater than is 1. If they give this, means first option is x is greater than 1, second option is x will be lesser than -1. Clear? Suppose if they give mod x is greater than 2, we have to write x is greater than 2 and x is lesser than minus 2. These are the choices. Okay. Suppose if they give x is lesser than 1, x is lesser than 1 is first choice and the second choice is x is greater than minus 1. So if you combine this, it will be x lesser than 1, x greater than minus 1. Clear? This is called solving the mod function. This is called solving the mod function. Quickly tell me how many of you have understood this. Quickly tell me how many of you understood solving mod. Solving mod has got two choice. Always solving mod has got two choice. If mod x is lesser than 1, first one is x is lesser than 1 and another one is x is greater than minus 1. By taking these two, how can I write? X is greater than minus 1, lesser than plus 1. On the same way, if mod x is greater than 1, if they give mains, x will be greater than 1 and another thing is x is lesser than minus 1. Okay. So like this you have to solve. Clear? Very good. So now our option is A. Our option is A. Clear? Option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Okay. So this is very straightforward. If P of A is equal to P of B, remember that A is equal to B. It is the property. It is the property. Don't waste the time in solving this. P of A equal to P of B means A is equal to B. You just remember it like formula. No problem. Clear? So quickly I will go for the next problem. So see the next problem, that is which sets are subsets of one and another. That means they have given A, B, C and D. Now we have to check which one is the subset of another one. Okay, no problem. Let us check it. First you simplify set A, that is x square minus 8x plus 12 equal to 0. So if I factorize this, it will be x minus 4, x minus it will be x minus 6 into x minus 2 equal to 0. It will be x minus 6 into x minus 2 will be equal to 0. Okay. So now you can just simplify it as like this, that is x square minus 8x plus 12 equal to 0 means x minus 6 into x minus 2 equal to 0. So x will be equal to 6, x will be equal to 2. This is set A, that is 2, 6. What is set B? 2, 4, 6. What is C? C is 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. No problem. What is D? D is singleton set 6. So see here, D is subset of B. On the same way, D is subset of A. On the same way, A is subset of B. And all A, B, D are the subset of C. You just check it. Which option is going to be right? So we got D is subset of B. So D is subset of B. D is subset of A. D is subset of A. Next we got again D is subset of C. No problem. D is subset of C. Correct. See here, they have given A is subset of D. That is wrong. A cannot be subset of D. This is wrong. Here they have given D is subset of C. No problem. B is subset of D. No problem. D is subset of A. D is subset of A. You just check D is subset of A. You just check B. They are saying B is subset of D. This is wrong. So this is also wrong because B is not subset of D. Okay. None of this not possible because option A is correct. So option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Okay. So quickly all of you give me the smiles or thumbs if you have understood this. You just solve set A. By solving set A, you can understand A is going to be 2, 6. Therefore, D is subset of A, D is subset of B, D is subset of C. It is going to be the right answer. Clear? Very good. So let us go for the next question. So my dear students, in the next question, you just see they have given a equal to y equal to e to the power of 2x, y equal to e to the power of minus 2x. They have given y equal to e to the power of 2x, another one is y equal to e to the power of minus 2x. Then they are asking about a intersection b, that means common roots of these two functions they are asking. Common roots of these two functions they are asking. If there is a common root between these two functions, means they has to be equal. If there is a common root in between those two functions, means they has to be equal at that particular point. Okay, so we have to use this equation. Please remember, if there is a common root, in between two functions, at that particular point both the functions are going to be equal. For example, say this is one curve, you take another curve, they are intersecting at C. That means this small f of x and this capital F of x both has to be equal at x equal to C. That is the geometrical meaning. Both the functions small f of x and capital F of x has to be equal at x equal to C. Okay, so now you can solve this equation. E raised to 2x equal to, I will write 1 here, I will write e raised to minus 2x here. So how can you simplify this? E raised to 2x into e raised to 2x equal to 1. That is e raised to 4x equal to 1. Now if x is equal to 0, you will get this answer as 1. That is e to the power of 4 into 0, that will be e to the power of 0 equal to 1. So therefore at x equal to 0, you have e to the power of 4 equal to 1. So therefore A intersection B is not equal to empty. And A intersection B is singleton set. A intersection B is singleton set. Okay. So therefore the answer is C. Therefore the answer is C. This is about the concepts. This is about the understanding the concepts. If you know the concepts correctly, then you can understand this. There is no any formula for this. This is conceptual based problem. This is conceptual based problem. So that's why you must know the concepts. They have given two curves and two curves intersect at one point, means they has to be equal at that point. So I will take e to the power of 2x is equal to e to the power of minus 2x. And I will simplify, I will get e raised to 4x equal to 1. Therefore, x will be equal to 0. Hence, our singleton set will be the answer. Okay. That is x equal to 0. Clear? All of you? So now we can go for the next problem. Now we can go for the next problem, that is A intersection B whole complement. So all of you try to solve this and give me the right answer. By the same time, I will announce some announcements. Tomorrow for the 12th standard students, there will be QP, that means model QP solving according to reduced syllabus. If you want it live, I will put it live. If you want it live, I will put it live. If you say, sir, we don't need live, that means I can go for recorded class. For this is for 12th class. And for the 11th class and 12th class, I will take mock test. That will be live mock test, as we have already taken one test. So tomorrow at 5 p.m. Is it suitable to everyone? If you say yes, tomorrow at 5 p.m. I will conduct live mock test. On sets topic, so that it is understood that the sets topic preparation is over. By the meanwhile, tomorrow I will share the PDF. I will share the PDF of your sets topic, so that you can go through that PDF and you can solve those problems. And if you get any doubts, whenever you are free, you can ask the doubts, no problem. Okay. So this is for 12th standard students. And for 12th standard students, reduced syllabus model QP solving. I will see the timings and I will decide the timings and I will tell you, no problem. So for 12th class, it should be live or it should be recorded video. If you say live, we can solve it live. If you say recorded video, we can give it as recorded video, no problem. So quickly tell me about this and we can end the class, no problem. Okay. So by the way, solving of this is A intersection, apply De Morgan's law, that will be A complement union B complement, apply distributive law, it will be A intersection A complement union A intersection B complement. So A intersection A complement is empty, you will get A intersection B complement. So option D is the right answer. Option D is the right answer for this. Okay. See here, you just apply De Morgan's law, so it will become A complement union B complement. Distributive law, you apply A intersection A complement union with A intersection B complement. So that will be A intersection A complement union with A intersection B complement. Therefore, this is empty. You will get A intersection B complement. Okay. So tomorrow I will take live QP model question paper solving. So it is good if you all say the time also. It is good if you all say the time also. So quickly tell me the time also. Second year students, 12th standard students. Test is fixed for 5 PM. Don't tell 5 PM. For model QP solving, you have to tell the other time other than 5 PM. So quickly tell me. Is it okay 3 to 4 or 3 to, okay, 3 to 5, there will be one class. Okay, let us take it at 7 PM. Let us take it at 7 PM. Okay. So from 7 I will start. From 7 I will start QP solving in the evening. From the 7 I will start QP solving. So from 7 to, let us see when it will get over. From 7 to, let us see when it will get over. So we can go with our own time from 7 PM. Clear? So from 7 PM I will start the class tomorrow. So tell to everyone to attend the class so we can solve model question paper. Okay, I will soon I will send everything in detail with the thumbnail of YouTube class. So there you can understand it. No problem. So thank you everyone. Bye bye. Take care. Meet you all tomorrow. Meet you all tomorrow means in the YouTube session. Okay.